Hi guys, happy Easter. Super late in the afternoon. I'm heading over to my mom's house for Easter dinner. Ooh, I'm walking home now. Got a whole bunch of food, bunch of leftovers. Y'all, I don't know if this is the same for you, but Easter is low-key just like another Thanksgiving for my family. Except for it's like Thanksgiving plus candy. The leftovers and some cake. Hi guys, it's been a while. So today's Monday. The first tip that you guys have saw was from Sunday and some maybe from Saturday, maybe, I don't remember. So today's Monday. It is literally, oh my gosh, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh my God, 3 days. So I'm going on a trip. I know I mentioned in the past that, oh, I'm probably not going to be traveling for a while, blah, blah, blah. But my best friend and I do like our little annual trip, and this year was his turn, and he picked the month of April. But obviously this was way before any of this craziness started happening. So yeah, everything's already booked and paid for, so we're just going to go and chance it. So I have no idea where I'm going. I was just told that it's going to be hot and wet. So, I mean, I feel like I have a good guess, but I really want to be surprised and I don't want to guess because his face will give it away. So, I just have like a little bit of things to do to get myself prepared for the trip. So I went and got my nails done. Super simple. Got my toes done the same because, I don't know, I just went with simple color. I already bought a ton of stuff. I honestly didn't need to buy anything else, but I didn't have any bathing suits, so I bought 2 new bathing suits and like a bunch of like linen pants and stuff like that. Super cute, like summery wear since it's gonna be hot and wet. And so the only thing I have to do left really is I need to wash a load of laundry, pack. I literally have all my outfits picked out. They're just kind of thrown across the chair in my bedroom. Just need to dump them in the suitcase. And then I need to get my hair done. I'm getting braids. I'm getting boho braids again. And I'm getting that done tomorrow. So tonight, I pretty much got all of the heavy bits done. And I'm rewarding myself with a nice easy dinner since I'm really not going to be meal prepping this week because I'm only working a day and a half this week. I'm just going to make a meal for one of the days, and the other day I'll just eat what they have available at the cafeteria at work. So anyways, tonight I stopped at Whole Foods, got some dinner. I got a bunch of mixed veggies with brown rice and some orange chicken. And for dessert, I got a cookie, a brown butter cookie, and I got a poppy. So this is what I'm having for dinner. It's literally 5 minutes from 6. And then I'm kind of just gonna hang out for the night. I'll show you guys what I'm packing. I'm low-key hyped about the outfits. I feel like they're all mad cute. So I'll show you guys that a little bit later. But for now, I'm gonna put my feet up and relax. It's been a very busy day. Did you want some? Hi guys. Oh boy, what a day. It is now Tuesday. Oh gosh, what time is that? Almost 6 p.m. Uh, got my hair done. Actually got a haircut because it was getting a little crispy at the ends. And I just got some simple boho braids. Oh y'all, I am tired. I'm so tired. I am trying to find the will to find the energy to wrap up these last bit of things I have to do. So now I literally just have to pack. And I need to make dinner and make lunch for work tomorrow. Okay, so you remember remember I was like, oh, I literally have everything I need for this trip. I just have to throw it in the suitcase. I have all of my outfits picked out. I'm about to show you this mess. And I actually just got 2 more things that just got delivered. Like some tank tops. These are all of the outfits. All of the outfits. So I just need to throw this into a suitcase. And I'm going to do that tonight so I don't have to worry about it on Thursday. And I just got like a sweater cap because I know we're going to be somewhere hot and wet is what he said. And I just got another bonnet. So yeah. Just going to pack, make a quick dinner. I'm thinking I'm going to do like a quick sushi bake because that's the fastest thing to make right now. And plus I didn't go grocery shopping because I'm not going to be here for like 2 weeks. So sushi bake it is. I'm tired. It's been a long day. This is as good as it's gonna get. And at the end of the day, this is just lunch for work, you know? I made 2 of them. The other one I'm gonna have for dinner tonight. And like I said, this one is gonna be for work tomorrow. And then Thursday I have a half day at work, so I really don't need to make anything. I can grab lunch at work and then I'll be heading out. Oh, I'm so excited. So today is Wednesday. I was supposed to pack yesterday. I didn't do it because I was too tired. So I'm gonna do that now. It's 7:30 and it's the evening. I just got out of work. Hence all of the oil. So I'm gonna pack now, and I also want to try in some of the pieces I got to see if I like how they look on my body with this hair, you know. But it'll be different in the morning. Maybe not the morning. Maybe tomorrow evening. We leave tomorrow night. Oh my gosh, this is like so crazy. It like came up mad fast. So I really do have no choice but to pack tonight. And I also have to edit this vlog for this week so it's out by Friday. I think I'm really trying my hardest not to do this, but I think I might end up not posting a video the next Friday, and I think I might wait until I come back, but I don't know, y'all. I'll be tired as heck when I come back from trips. I just want to be lazy and not do nothing. So I think I might bring my computer with me. I don't know. We'll see how we're feeling. But if not, you guys I'm gonna skip a week and then I'll post the next video the following week when I get back. Sorry, let me stop chatting and let's go try some of these outfits and throw a bunch of stuff in the suitcase. Okay, here's the damage. Those are undergarments, so ignore that. I have 3 bathing suits. This is like a 10-day trip. So I got 3 bathing suits, cover-ups for each bathing suits. Pants. These are linen pants. That's a jacket for when I return. Tights when I return home. A nice long skirt. A bunch of tops, all linen tops. Some mesh ones. Some flared skirts. Some shorts. Bunch of tank tops. I don't think we'll bring this one. I feel like this isn't that flattering. So I'm not going to bring that. And a bunch of bralettes. And I have sneakers as well. A bunch of these. Well, not a bunch. I'm only going to bring these. These are the wide toe shoes. So your toes can breathe and they don't hurt when you're walking a lot. I have that pair. That's tan. like a kayaki tan color. And I got these slides. And I'm going to bring, a pair of black slides. They're flat sole ones though, for if I'm like gonna go out or something, I feel like, because I'm not gonna bring heels, that's too much. So I'm just gonna dump everything in the suitcase. And I still have to pack like my hygiene bag. I'm not gonna pack makeup, I don't think. I think I'm just pack like lashes and stuff, and like a little stuff for my eyebrows, because I'm not trying to do all that. I'm sorry, I know it looks like I'm new, but I have on a halter top because I'm trying mad stuff on to see if it fits. So yeah, I just have to pack my hygiene bag, a little bit of makeup, and then I think that's it. That's it. Hi guys, it is Thursday evening. What time? I mean, does it even matter if I mention that time, really? 6:48. I am waiting for Maddie to pull up on me so we can get the heck up out of here. So tonight I find out where we're going. Oh my gosh, I feel like, is my forehead big? So tonight I finally find out where I'm going. We're about to head out in a little while. I'm just waiting for Matt to pull up. Already got my bags packed. I'm literally sitting here waiting. Me and Remy are hanging out. You want to say hi to the people? Want to say hi to the people? Stop nudging my hand. Look. Okay, I guess she doesn't want to say hello. She's kind of mad at me because I'm leaving again, but she'll be okay. Her auntie, Anna's going to come visit her and take care of her while I'm gone. So she'll be fine. Oh, I'm excited. I have 3 ideas of where we may be going. Oh, 1 second. Okay, sorry. What the heck was I saying? Oh shoot, I lost my damn train of thought. That seems to be my life lately. I cannot remember nothing. Yeah. Oh, right. That's what I was saying. So I have 3 guesses of where I might be going. He said it was going to be somewhere hot and damp, or hot and wet, whatever. Or he said hot and moist. I know a lot of people hate that word. I don't really get the hate, but whatever. So the 3 places I think we could possibly be going to: Thailand, Vietnam, or Taiwan. Because it's like a 20-hour flight. Not a direct flight. We have a layover somewhere. I don't know, obviously. So yeah, those are my 3 guesses. I feel confident in those 3 options, but we'll see. He could surprise me. I mean, it is a surprise. I have no idea where I'm going, but yeah. So yeah, I'm excited. Got everything packed, ready to go. Just waiting around on this little procrastinator. He swears this video is about him. Hey guys, it's many hours later. We have made it to the Logan Airport.
Where are we going?
I have no clue. Okay.
We will find out at the check-in counter, but I'm doing things a little different.
Right.
Ready?
Ready.
Hold it up. Show the camera. What?
No?
Where are we going?
Can I have my eyes?
Yep, you go open your eyes. Where are we
Are
going?
you serious?
Where are we going?
Are you serious?
Where are we going?
Hong Kong?
Yes.
Are you serious?
You've always... Okay, I want to save this.
Are you lying to me?
Hold on. I want to start one. So I'm gonna save it and then
You're not lying to me, are you?
Hong Kong, bitch. You were saying. That's why I find it funny that you were mentioning it. Okay, video saved. Let's start another one. I'm looking at my bag of goodies.
Oh. Okay.
Ready?
Ready?
I'm gonna put it in your hand.
Okay.
So this is a very important tool. You can open. So, what do we have?
You're playing.
So we're actually going to
Thailand.
Thailand for Songkran.
For Songkran?
Yes.
I knew it.
Yes, so Thailand, here we come.
Do we have a layover here?
Yeah, it has one.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Ah!
So let's save that. And I want to upload. I want to see if she can take pictures of us with our water guns. Like Songkran, here we come.
Yeah. The other one's better.
Drinking, no eating, no nothing.
I feel like Diet Pepsi never gets cold. That's why I like Diet Coke.